Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at the Game Face Tactical VOODOO Shotgun. Yeah, so this shotgun is made by Game Face, and if you don't know, Game Face is actually owned and made by Crossman. So if you know a good Crossman airsoft gun, they're the company that actually makes this, which is kind of weird because it's kind of like, remember my Braps uh, M1A1 carbine assault rifle, my AK-74U? Those AGs are airsoft electronic guns, and how those were made by Blast Ignite Company. And then remember, well, actually, I don't think I showed you that much, but my Bears River revolver that was the Schofield model number 3. Yeah, that Schofield model number 3 6-shot top weight revolver that says that it's made by Bears River is actually still made by the Ignite Company. So the Blast Ignite Company. They just changed the names, just like how I guess Crossman went with a new lineup, a sub lineup, as you know, known as Game Face, but it's still officially under Crossman license company. So even though it says Game Face right there, it's still a Crossman product. So if you know the name of Crossman, which is a very good gun, just like the Daisy guns, then you know this should be hopefully a very great product. Because I type in the website gameface.com and I hit it up and it said Crossman. I'm like, okay, this is weird. Why is it bringing me to the Crossman website? I put in www.gameface.com, click on it, and yet it pulled up Crossman. So it's like, hey, our products. I'm like, okay. Then I was like, what? Crossman makes Game Face? Game Face is made by Crossman? I was like, what? But yeah, apparently that's what it is. So just to let you know, even though it doesn't say Crossman on the box and it says Game Face is actually made by Crossman. So just to let you know, a little gun switcheroo history fact things here. So the VOODOO shotgun is up to 390 feet per second. It is a spring powered gun. The magazine will hold 18 rounds, and this is kind of fun. They say slam fire, shoot as fast as you can pump. That's kind of what it does. So it's just a pump action shotgun. Bonus detachable swing. That is nice that they give you the swing in there. Nothing really on the sides except for, I know it's going to be a little blurry on camera here. I don't know. Right there where it says GameFace AiRSOFT.com. I put that name in there and it brought me to a Crossman website. So that name, GameFace AiRSOFT.com, will be linked down below in the description there. So yeah. Now we get to see a little bit of the bots and what's all the good and yummy treats that we have here. So let's kind of zoom in and so we have adjustable stock from the back there, a Picatinny wear system, adjustable hop up. Then we have a front swing mount, 18 round magazine, rear swing mount, and then it says power source, spring, caliber 6mm, BBs, capacity up to 18 rounds, barrel is metal, material is synthetic, so plastic, velocity up to 390 feet per second, length is 26.5 inches, weight is 2.26 pounds, and safety is a crossbolt safety. And I don't know how good you can see this here because I got the camera zooming as best I can, but what they say is, we stand behind this product with a limited 90-day warranty against defects in materials and what does it say? Workmanship C warranty, pre-C inside, so yeah. So yeah, let's zoom out. Let's get this baby out of the box and check it over. So as you notice, my box is a little damaged here. I bought this over at Kmart. It was on sale for I think like $25. I think it was originally like 35, and then they had on sale for like 25 or something. But because of the damaged bots, they were like, we'll give you like a 5 to 7% discount. So I got it for like about $15, which I'm not complaining to get a BB AiRSOFT shotgun for $15. I'm not gonna complain about that price. Because I was like, hey, it's all the parts in here. Because, you know, this is open back here. And this is all torn up. So they open up, they check it out from back here. That's why this one doesn't close anymore. And they're like, yeah, all the parts are in there, dude. So, do you want it? I was like, well, the box is messed up. They're like, well, we could give you a discount off for a little bit of percentage. I was like, how much would that bring it down to? They're like, about $15. So I'm like, it's like originally a $35 gun that you had on sale for $25, and with the percentage, because of the messed up box, you're going to give me it for like $15. They're like, yeah. I'm like, do you want it? I'm like, yeah, we'll start reading it up and hand me my receipt. Of course I'll take it for like $15. You've seen some on Amazon. Unfortunately, I have to say it's on Amazon, but it's probably on other websites too. The Ukraine arms. I know some people will be like, dude, it's not Ukraine arms, it's UK arms or something. No, go see Red Dragon Airsoft, Red Fox Airsoft, Revenant, his channel. Because I know Revenant, his channel is filled with nothing but UK arms or Ukraine arms airsoft guns. He's like, this gun was only $20. This gun was like only $2. This gun was like 50 cents. Same gun, same brand. I had one of them. Complete junk, fell apart. So yeah. So what we get in the box? Our gun, which is a little too big to show on camera here. We get a very special tool, which I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. Silicone gel pads, a speed loader, and our swing, and nothing else in the box. Okay, so then we have our little warranty cards, and as you can clearly see, Crossman, right there is the Crossman. Let's zoom in and see, boom, right there, Crossman. Like I said, Game Face is made by Crossman. Crossman made Game Face. Here's, you know, our manual, which is just this big floppy manual. So yeah, pretty much just telling you everything I just told you about the gun and stuff, but then it also tells you how to load it and stuff, which is a little bit different, which we really don't need to see the manual because we're going to see up close on camera how you load this thing up. How does it fire? Is it good? Is it great? So right out of the box, it looks pretty darn good, and it does have some heft to it. There is some weight. Like I say, from right here where the magazine is to where the barrel is, you could feel the metal in here. It feels almost like the Blast Ignite guns, where it has metal. It feels like that Bear River Chauffeur Model 3. It has some weight to this gun. I feel this video might be in 2 or 3 parts. So, try to get as much as I can in part 1. So, this is going to be your speed loader. BBs go on the top. They come out at the bottom here. And, yes. They also give you a bag of BBs. Now, I know a lot of people disagree and they're like, oh, dude, don't use those BBs that always come in the boxes or in the packages that come with your gun. Take these BBs, just toss them away. I don't do that. I do agree that these are not the best BBs, but the only reason why I kind of keep them is because they're kind of like for practices. See how the gun actually works. I know a lot of you are like, Dude, what do you mean, how does it work? You load it with BBs, you aim at something, you take the safety off, you put it Twitter, you know. But yeah, it's just to kind of say, like, does it actually shoot that far? Does it actually shoot at all? Does it jam? Because I had some guns that they are name brand guns, and they are a piece of garbage that I would have a 3D printed no name KO gun that outperforms it 1,000 plus million infinity times better than a name brand licensed gun. So these are what I consider more test mount beasts. Nothing that I'll take to the field, because I'll take better beasts with me if I'm going out to the field and stuff. But this is just to kind of really test out the gun. Does it load into the thing? Does it fire? Does it misfire? How accurate is it? What needs to be adjusted? The hop up. Does the sights need to be adjusted? The more just for practice and testing to see if there's anything that you actually gotta do to your gun before you actually want to start wasting your real BBs. So yeah. So real quickly, let me kind of show you here how these BBs work. So we're gonna bring down here this little tube. Take out a couple BBs. I think it's like 15. 18. Sorry, 18. I was feeding another gun, now it's like 15. So you just drop them in on the top here. And I think that might